Well, hello everyone. We're about to unbox the AMT Nubian N-1 Starfighter, which I'm eventually going to change into the Mandalorian Starfighter. It's the die-cast version, so it should be interesting to do. I'm doing a lot of scratch building on this one, so it should be interesting. So let's hop down on the bench and take a look. Hello everybody. I just got this off of eBay not too long ago, before they were all going crazy expensive. I think I've seen some for, over 200, 300 bucks. This one I got for 60, I think, 64. Won it on a bid. It's the die-cast version. I almost wish I had two, because I would love to build one like what it's supposed to look like, because it looks really cool. And I remember not too long ago, you know, people were almost like giving these away, and now look, you can sell them for $200. So this box here, it's by AMT. This is the die-cast version. They do have a full styrene version, and I already opened this and looked inside it a little bit. Here's the underneath, and it's the die cast. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And hopefully the little caps, little buttons will work. Really nice. But that's that part. Here's, I think this goes somewhere in. Oh, you gotta put the top on first. But here's the top half die cast, and I'm, since I'm going to make this the Mandalorian version, here's the nice front end for it. So it's going to look cool. Hopefully this die cast looks as nice as, and I can get it looking like that. That's already got a nice wear to it. And you probably could polish it up if you hit it with a polishing buffer. But that, for what his ship is, that's got a perfect already kind of tint to it. This is okay to be a little shinier. It's definitely shinier than that. But hopefully when I remove this paint, I can get it looking like that. And that's all depending on how I'm going to remove this paint. I was thinking wire wheel, but wire wheel would put some massive scratches in it unless I could take it in and hit it on a big buffing wheel. We'll see. Same thing with this piece. But then this, I think, goes there. And this goes over top. Like that. We got the engines here that are die cast. Even those parts, which are the back halves. But all that's got to get scraped clean too. Here's one of them. Oh, okay. They're the underneath of those halves. Okay, so that makes sense. Here's the other engine. Goes together like that, and of course you put this in first, and that gives you that pointed engine piece. But on Din Djarin's, he didn't have those on there, and they were just like that. So I got to figure out how to close that up. I think there's a couple holes in the intakes of that. Then those go on there, and and then these are plastic, and then these go on there, which then those little wings attach too. But those got to become silver, so I'll just hit those with silver paint. Where's those rings go? Oh, they go in the front. So we could probably paint those silver and put them on the front. Yeah, because it's going to slope from it. So that goes there. Okay, so that helps. So that would normally go in between these. The ring probably goes on those. Or you just cut these off to make a so you can't see in there. I'll give us the ring, and then we just gotta put something in there. I don't want to ruin these. Always use it for something or turn it around, and someone might need the part. Yeah, that would work. And that was gone front, and then I can put a little something like some type of grill, or I'll look at pictures, reference pictures would be best. But yeah, I mean, there's not much to it. It's just this plastic sprue, those parts, you know, that I put in here. Then it's the buttons that cover all that. Clear canopy and some screws. And I got to figure out how to do a canopy up in here, because they do come. It does have an R2 head. It's like, do I just file that smooth and make it a shaded dome or something? Or do I do... Or I can use that to cast something. No, it needs to be clear. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to figure out something. It looks like the base is die cast too, which is nice. And it's just a basic stand. And it'll say Naboo Starfighter. We're going to have to change that. Wonder if it's already on it. I bet you it is. They probably already wrote it on it. It's gonna make me have to tear it apart. Let's find out, but I bet you they already has it written on it. Yeah, it already has it written on it, which is nice if you're gonna make it a Naboo Starfighter. So it's like, what do we do to change that? And I could sneak a wire up through that. I don't know if that's a Naboo symbol, a Nubian symbol. I mean, you could always and just paint over that or something. I wish they would have let you put your own decal on, and I would just cut that. I don't know if I get something that I could print Mandalorian on there or something. Starfighter. We'll figure it out. But that's neat. Probably just paint over the whole thing and just leave it as a black stand. Probably what we'll do. So that's really all there is to it. You know, it's just going to be a lot of scratch building. But I figure you'd enjoy seeing that. It's a really good kit. You know, it's amazing it didn't. Well, it's a movie that people kind of have a controversy about. So, but it always was a cool looking ship. So, but we're gonna make this one the Mandalorian's new Starfighter. So it'll be interesting to see what I can do with the die cast to get those open panels, and we're gonna have to have open panels in the engine. We got some different things to cut in on the top. See how well the die cast does. But figure, let's hope, you know, figure you enjoy that. Taking a look at that. Do a quick little product review. I don't know when I'm gonna get to that. I still like to get more reference photos of the ship, but we will definitely do a build series on it, so see you soon.